What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. So I did tell you guys that I'll be starting to do my own nails. So this is the very first time that I have filled my nails. What I noticed is you need to make the acrylic kind of wet. Like at first I was doing it a little dry, so it was causing like some lumps. And then when you get like too many lumps, then it's like a pain drilling, trying to flatten it out a little bit. But it was quite interesting. I think they came out okay, being that it's my first time. But I think the next time I'll definitely do better. And then since I'm right-handed, my left hand was very awkward to do. I had two nails that came off on my left hand, and I did a separate video just doing those from start to finish. But the rest, I went ahead and I filled it. And I'm just showing you guys how I did that. And I'm using a tan acrylic. And I mean, I bought everything. I did everything that I'm supposed to do. So before I recorded this video, I did push back my cuticles. I did file my nails. And then I applied a primer to my nails before I added the acrylic. I try my best to do everything right. So yeah, go ahead and just watch this video and see how I did. So I also applied some stars to my nails. So at first I used the clear, and then I used the tan acrylic, and then I added the stars, and then I put some clear acrylic over it. So like right now I'm putting on the tan. See, it's better to fix it like when it's wet. And then I'm putting some on the ends. And then I'm going to put the stars, and then I'll put like the clear acrylic over the stars just to keep them in. I mean, I'm so excited to be doing my own nails because, I mean, I never thought about it per se, but I feel like now that I've watched so many videos on how to do it, I think I should eventually get it, and it's gonna be easier as I practice. And I think also I'll do a better job if I'm doing like on a practice, like on a, I have a few fingers to practice on. So I think I'll do better if I practice like a finger. So yeah, that's it. Let me know how I did in the comments. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe video. I'll definitely have more nail videos coming because I really like doing my nails. So yeah, and I'll definitely be doing my nails. So stay tuned. Bye.
For the kid. Bricks fell down on me, rain fell down on me, dreams I had for years all came down on me, trust gave in on me, lies came in on me, friends.
And in case you're wondering why my nails are shaped differently, I was practicing how to do the stiletto nail. So I was filing my ring finger and my pointer, just practicing. So those are shaped differently. In case you're wondering, I'm just practicing shaping my nails. Okay, bye.
Like a champion, no, I know, I know, I know. I am champion, I am champion. Hope fell down on me, people gave up on me, plans I made for you. been all in my way. Lights went out on me, change caved in on me. Nothing is saving me, but in my mind, I'm in my mind, I'm in my mind, I'm in my mind. I'm alive, 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 alive. Like a champion, like a champion. No, I know, I know, I know. I am champion, I am champion. Give, I give, I give, I give. Like a champion, like a champion. I survive, survive, survive. I am champion, I am champion. Time gave in on me, everything hard on me. Found I thought was cool, all worked out on me. Time gave in on me, everything hard on me.
So right now I'm just gonna apply the iridescent stars. So I added a little clear acrylic, just a little bit, just so that it could have like something to stick to. So I added a little bit and then I like laid them on top of the clear acrylic, and then I covered it with some more clear acrylic and allowed that to dry, and then I file it down a little bit to shape it up. So I'm about to start drilling my nails, and right now I have it set to 10,000. 5,000 is a little too low, and over 10 is a little too fast. So I have it on 10,000. If you're interested on seeing the drill that I'm using, I have a video. I'll link that down in the description. So I'm still kind of getting used to the drill. It's a little weird. I'm still trying to figure out like how to place my finger to like try to drill it, but I'm getting the hang of it. So yeah.
I'm alive.
So I didn't want to run out of space on my camera, so I went ahead and I filed it for the most part off camera, and then I buffed it, and then I applied the clear coat of nail polish and I let it dry, and then that's pretty much it I did after this. So I'm just filing it, I'm trying to shape it up and all that good stuff. So let me know how I did.
For the kid. Bricks fell down on me, rain fell down on me. Dreams I had for years all came down on me. Trust gave in on me, lies came in on me. Friends I had for years all traded in on me. Storms raged in on me, hell came down on me. Nothing left to lose, life caved in on me.
Off camera, I was practicing to use the extension on the thumb. It didn't come out right, so I ended up just trying to cover it up and make it look a little decent. But that's why that one is a different color.
Like a champion, no. I know. I am champion.